Your WordPress tables present important data, and you need them to look perfect on every device. But if the tables are not responsive, they'll collapse or expand too much out of the screen on different devices. Want to know how to fix that? Let's show you how to make tables stackable and create responsive tables in Ninja Tables. It's simple because all you need to do is enable a checkbox. First, move over to the Table Design panel and the Styling tab. The last option at the bottom is a checkbox for Enable Stackable Table. After enabling it, two more options will appear. Target Devices, Stacked Appearance. You can select from 4 different target devices: mobile, tablet, laptop, or desktop. Select all of them to ensure maximum responsiveness. With the Stacked Appearance option, you can hide column headings and hide internal borders. Once you update the settings and hit the Preview button, 3 things will happen. Rows will be separated and show up as a different table. Rows that appear as tables now will stack on top of other rows. The table will become responsive for all screens. No code or other complicated features. Just enabling some checkboxes does the magic. See how easy that was? Subscribe to WPManageNinja for more ninja tricks. Find out more about us on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and our blog.